Those who read any material or literature from W.D. Farad or Elijah Muhammad have to be very careful. And the reason being is that they both write or teach an equivocal teaching. And if we look real fast at a just generic definition of equivocal, it means it's an adjective and it means allowing the possibility of several different meanings as a word or phrase, especially with intent to deceive or misguide, susceptible of double interpretation, deliberately ambiguous, deliberately. So meaning that it's deliberately causing confusion. Okay, and don't forget it says especially with the intent to deceive or misguide. So I'm going to show you an example in the Supreme Wisdom Lesson book from W.E. Farad that there's a bunch of equivocal teachings in the lesson book. Let's take a look at them. Now, what you're looking at right now is from the Supreme Wisdom Lesson book by W.D. Farad. This is question number 34 from the first term examination assignment. Okay. Now, the question, as you can see, is question number 34, and it reads, and can you reform devil? And the typical response of the FOI is going to be no. And the reason being is all the prophets have tried to reform him devil, but were unable. Now, if we keep reading, we see it won't take much of second grade reading comprehension to understand that the answer is yes. Okay, we just read it in its entirety. And not just be brainwashed by its catechisms. Okay, now, and can you reform him devil? Now forget the top part. Let's read what's being said. Can you reform him devil? Unless we graft him back to the original man, which takes 600 years. So instead of losing time grafting him back, they have decided to take him off the planet. So the answer is yes, not no. You can reform him devil. And is yes, but it will take 600 years. So this is how it should read. You know, my fourth grade student could write this better. And can you reform devil? The answer should be yes, but it will take 600 years to graft him back. So instead of losing time grafting him back, they have decided to take him off the planet. And that's how it should have been read. Not no, and then explain that you can. So this is a contradiction in nature.